Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Pixel 5a, and I'm shooting this in 4K at 60 frames. This video, I'm gonna do some 4K, some 1080p, and some photos during the daytime. I'm also want to see if my phone will overheat. Look, 2x zoom. A lot of YouTubers are been having problems with the phone overheating at 4K at 60. And we will test that out. I'm at 39 seconds. I will let y'all know if it starts overheating or not. It will actually cut off though. But what y'all think? How does everything look? How does that sound? Let's go in the sun. I don't know. I'm gonna come back at 4K at 30 and see what happens too. But shout out to baby girl there, Mr. 300. But what y'all think about it? These cameras are really good. Even with the issues with the 4K at 60, I think Google just needs some time to fix the issue. Hopefully they can. Look at that. Focus is all right, not too bad. So I'm gonna come back at 4K at 30. Until then, peace. All right, everyone. So this is 4K at 30 frames per second. The nice thing is I can zoom in all the way to 5x zoom, which looks great, but also have access to the wide angle and back to the regular lens. Say right here is the regular lens. But again, how's the mics? How does that sound? How does the video look? Look at that blue. How does it do in the shade? Wait, hold on, I forgot. Slow pan of the Texas sky. It is about 97 degrees out here in San Antonio, so it's hot. Definitely hot in San Antonio. Look at the ground. We haven't had rain in about a week or so. Now, let's talk about this overheating issue. It's overheating right now. It says that the quality may be affected. That's what it just told me. So we'll see if it affects the quality of the video. Y'all let me know, because it did say it was going to overheat just now. Now, is it a big deal? So far, because the phone is not released, I don't think it's the biggest deal. But if you have a device, it should be able to film and not have any issues. But Google has times to try to fix it. And Google knows about the problem because we are tech reviewers and we have been letting them know. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. We can have a friendly discussion in the comments. I'm going to come back at 1080p at 60. But y'all let me know how this video looks, because it did give me an overheating issue instead of quality may be bad. Peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. What y'all think about it? How does it look? Yes, the phone did get hot in the 4K at 60 and the 4K at 30. It didn't really shut up the video. It just told me the quality may be bad. But again, it is 90-something degrees outside. Is that an excuse? Nope. But again, I believe Google can fix it, or at least try to stop the overheating issues. But back to this video. What y'all think about the cameras? How does it look? How does that sound? Again, you can zoom in. The zoom, 3x zoom at 1080p. Ultra wide. Look at that. Camera look really good. Even with all the overheating issues. But if y'all want to have a friendly discussion in the comments, we can definitely do so. But look at that. Stabilization looks pretty good too, just walking, holding the phone. I'm gonna come back at 1080p at 30, so that way we can just see how that looks too. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second on the Pixel 5a, 5G. How does everything look? Again, how does everything sound? No, the phone is not overheating on 1080p. At 60 or 30. Yes, I'm still at the park. It is hot out in Texas, trust me. If you don't believe me, look at the ground. The ground is dying here because, again, we haven't had rain. Like I said in the earlier videos, if y'all want to have a discussion about the problems you've seen on Twitter about this phone, let's have a friendly discussion. I'll be more than happy to talk about it. I'm going to do some photos next and then finish the video with the front-facing camera. But check out the photos you can get on this phone. And let's remember the price of the phone, $449. Say that again, $449, and you get cameras like this. It runs smooth, it works great. If you haven't checked out the nighttime video I did earlier, I will have that link in the description, also on the top right here. So that way you can check out what it does at nighttime. But I'm gonna come back with some photos and then the front-facing video. Until then, peace. All right, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the Pixel 5a. Again, I'm just holding the phone with my hands. So how does it look? How does it sound? I don't know what y'all thought about the photos and also the 4K video. And just another thing I want to let you know, if the quality is bad, let me know, because it did start overheating and it told me that it had to cool off or the quality may be affected. Guess what I did? I didn't let it cool off. I just started shooting the next video. That's the only way we're going to be able to test out the phone and see if it actually can be fixed or see if it actually affects the quality. Is the phone warm in the back? Yes, it really is kind of warm on the back. Not going to lie. But what y'all thought about the photos? How did the 4K at 60 and 30 look? How did I sound in it? Look at baby girl back there. Look at that. Mr. 300. I love that color though. Now, it does say it again, it's popping up, the device is too hot, quality may be affected. I don't know. How does it look? Y'all let me know. Again, if we want to have a friendly discussion, let's have it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel. Also, Mr. 300. And let's just have some fun talking tech. Until next time, peace. I'm out.